So the video said the instructions say to remove the box first, which is what we did. Except according to the instructions, it says to actually that we would see the parts first, and then the monitor would look like this, upside down, with the the mount that we would see. I think we probably opened the box in the opposite way, so we weren't able to see this back of the monitor. Instead we saw the front of the monitor. So anyway, what we can do is I'm going to flip over this monitor on its side so I can see the back and I can continue with the installation. According to this, it looks like we should install the wires while the monitor is still in the box, but I think it should be okay. It shouldn't matter. I'll just be very careful when I flip over the monitor. And so it looks like we install the wires first, and then we prepare this mount, and we put the mount into the stand, and then we attach the whole stand to the back of the monitor and we secure it with screws. Essentially that's what I think it says. And then it looks like this is kind of a lock nut of some kind. We put both pieces together, looks like, and then we kind of lock it in place, and then we put the cables through the cable guides in the stand, and then we actually pick up the monitor. We flip the box like this, so that there's no stress on the screen, and I think it suggests that two people are required to do this. And then pick up the monitor, but don't hold it by the screen, and obviously don't step on the monitor or the cords. And then two people, it suggests two people place it on a stand, on wherever you want to put it. And this is the power button to turn it on. Essentially that's what it is. So I'm gonna get going with the steps. First I'll flip over the screen on its side.